capital of South Africa? How about Turkey? Barbados. Barbados? Tarong. Barbados? How about South Korea? How about Japan?
Tokyo in Japan.
Russia?
Moscow.
Ukraine?
Kyiv.
How about Philippines?
Let's make Manila.
Australia?
I love sea Canberra.
Canada? Canada?
Ottawa.
How about USA?
Washington, the
Peru?
Lima.
Argentina?
Buenos Mama. Buenos Aires.
How about Cuba?
Havana.
Wow. How about Spain? How about Spain? Spain? Spain is?
Madrid.
France? France is?
Paris.
How about UK?
London.
Wow. How about Indonesia?
Jakarta.
What else? What else? What else?
China.
China.
Beijing.
Wow. What else? Careful. India. Mexico.
Mexico City.
Wow.
Stop na, sakit kayo.
How about India?
New Delhi.
Wow.
New Delhi?
New Delhi. Oh. What else?
Madagascar.
Madagascar?
How about Nambia?
Nambia.
What about Nambia?
What's the capital of Nambia?
Nambia.
Nambia Gapon. How about Monaco?
Monaco.
Ooh. What else?
Poland.
Poland.
Huh? Ah!
What's the capital of Poland?
It's Sochi.
Unsay unahan sa Tokyo? Tokyo? Kyoto?
What else?
Japan. I know it.
What's the capital of Norway?
Also.
Oslo. Wow. Hey, what's the capital of Germany?
Really?
Wow.
Berlin ang Germany?
Skip this good one.
What's the capital of... Sa pa may mga lugar? Ay, Italy! Italy is...
Afghanistan, Afghanistan.
Ay, what's the capital of Afghanistan?
My name's Kabul.
Wow. Hey, how about Kabul? How about Italy? What's the capital of Italy?
It's a Roma.
Wow.
Vatican City.
Vatican City.
Rome.
Wow. What's the capital of Israel?
Israel.
Hmm?
Israel.
Israel is? Israel is?
Osena.
What's the capital of Israel?
Israel. Israel.
Jerusalem.
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 What else?
Jerusalem.
What else? What country?
Saudi
Texas.
Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Riyadh. We play Riyadh.
Wow. Riyadh.
Riyadh? Dili na United Arab?
Diloy. How about UAE? United Arab Emirates. What's the capital?
United Arab Emirates.
What's the capital? It's?
Capital United Arab Mama City.
What's the capital?
Dubai.
Huh?
What's the capital of UAE?
United Arab Emirates City.
Huh?
Dubai.
No.
United Arab Emirates City?
No, oy.
No!
Hey,
What's that?
what else? What other country? It's a good choice sa UAE. Hey, how about New Zealand?
Wellington?
Wow. How about what else?
Butuan.
Texas.
Texas has...
What's,
I don't know.
you don't know?
How about what's the capital of Oceania?
Oceania.
Oceania, Australia, Canberra. What's the capital of Oceania?
What are the countries under Oceania?
What's the capital of World of Flags?
Flags.
Flags. Asia, Africa. How about Libya?
Libya.
It's a Libya.
It's three.
Shibli. Shiblia.
Wow.
Then Sudak.
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 What's the capital of Bhutan?
Bhutan is Bhutan City.
Bhutan City?
Yeah.
How about
What's the capital of Davao?
Davao?
Yung mga turi.
What's the capital?
Jordan.
Hi, that's bad. What's the capital of North Korea?
North Korea, peace. Nicaragua. And I use this.
Naman naman Russia, no?
Bangladesh.
What's the capital of Bangladesh? Ay, mapakog. What's the capital of Bangladesh?
Bangladesh is nalibang.
Dhaka. Dhaka.
Uy, Dhaka. Wow. Bigan ka di.
Colombia.
Colombia? Hey, what's the capital of Colombia?
Bogota.
Halaka.
Bogota din.
How about Portugal? Portugal, what's the capital?
Portuguese.
It's
Portugal. Lisbon.
Wow.
Capital of Argentina.
Mana mo good? What's the capital of... Saan ba may mga lugar?
Davao.
What's the capital of... Oy, Greece.
Athens. Belgium.
Belgium.
Brussels. Welcome to Brazil. Hey,
Brazil.
America.
What's the capital of Brazil?
Brazil!
Wow, grabe naman siya eh.
Magdarong eh.
What about... Sakto mo good.
Sigsagit.
Oh, do not shout.
Sorry.
What's the capital of... Ikaw, Bi, saan mo may lang lugar?
It's the capital of Mama.
Kazakhstan, Iran, Iraq.
Eh, Iran! What's the capital of Iran?
Tehran.
Wow! Tehran. What's the capital of Iraq?
Iraq, malaking bato.
What's the capital of Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan.
It's a Astana.
Wow!
Ito na?
Astana. What's the capital of
Turkey.
Turkey?
Astana.
What's the capital of Dominican Republic?
What's the capital?
Congo.
It's a Kinshasa.
Ano sa manang Kinshasa?
Kinshasa is
Congo.
Congo.
Wow! Mo ba?
Saan ito?
What's the capital of... Ito pa.
Salaman. Be. Inside.
What's the capital of...
What's the capital of
Vietnam?
Hanoi?
Hala ka. Diyos ko. capital of Malaysia?
No. How about what's the capital of Sao Paulo?
Tuvalu?
Yes. No. Sao Paulo.
Sumana.
It's Sao Paulo ba?
Ano si Supalo?
Sao Paulo is Brazil.
Parte sa Brazil?
Mm. What's the capital of Sao Paulo?
Supalo.
Ikaw si Mama.
What's the capital of Supalo?
Sao Paulo.
Binuangan kayo. Wala na.
Next, Mommy.
Wala sa mapa.
What's the capital of El Salvador?
San Salvador.
Very good.
Guatemala. Guatemala.
What's the capital of
Guatemala.
Guatemala?
I want the Guatemala City.
What's
Three ladies in a silver police.
What's the capital of Belize?
Ako namin.
Belize, yes, Belize.
Ang kipuno. Ato yung mga kipuno.
Belupan.
Ha?
Belupan.
Ayaw
Wow.
ko download og Gcash
Costa
na.
Rica.
Costa Rica.
San Jose. How about they? Panama.
Panama.
Panama City.
Wow.
Saka lang.
Panama City, yes.
You're wrong.
How about the Managua?
Manag
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua.
Managua. Easy.
E-
Easy.
Easy.
What's the capital of Davao?
It's Butuan Onchai.
What's the capital of Thailand?
No, Sweden.
Sweden. What's the capital of Stockholm? Wow. Stockholm.
How about Finland?
Finland.
It's a good.
Finland is Finland is louder.
Helsinki daw.
Louder.
Try again.
What's the capital of Finland?
Helsinki.
Wow. Grabe.
Again. Papa. Mama.
What's
Mama.
What's the capital of Saan pa may mga lugar?
Heart of Armenia.
Armenia.
Hala ko.
Armenia is
Revan.
Yerevan. Yerevan. What's sa pa?
Ito pa.
Tuloy ini inenchik rong kembalo pa ini.
Tikat kot yung chop. What's the capital of North Korea?
Wala may kapital North Korea.
Yong
Yong.
Yongyang.
And then, who is the president of Russia?
Ukraine.
No.
What's it called? Huh?
Who is the president?
Who is,
Hala, Antarctica.
what's the capital of
Antarctica.
Antarctica?
Ay, what's the capital of Ukraine?
Ukraine.
Kiev.
Ay, humanang ta sa Ukraine.
Who is fighting Ukraine?
How about Venezuela? What's the capital? What's the capital of Thailand? Ethiopia. What's the capital? No. Ethiopia? Wow! Wow! What's the capital of... Saan pa may mga lugar di? Hey, what's the capital...
Bagong.
Hey. What's the capital of Switzerland?
Cagayan de Oro. Sander. Bira sabi bira. Push, pull. Sander, pull. Pull my hands. Pull ba, pull?
Yes.
What's the capital of... What else? What's the capital? What's the capital of Netherlands?
Yay!
Netherlands is...
Netherlands is Netherlands.
Netherlands o Japan?
Yes.
What's the capital of...
What's the capital of Utot?
What's the English of Otot?
My name is Otoy. My sabon is my name.
Ang English sa Utot kay Wind of Change.
That's Pupo.
How about what's the capital of Brunei?
Brunei. This is Cyprus. Lebanon. Jamaica. Jamaica. The one is Qatar. Vanuatu. Montenegro. Let's do all capitals. What the capital of Unsepe? I don't know.
We're done na?
Hi.
High
Let's
five.
talk about story.
Let's talk about story?
Yes.
Oh, what story?
Story of Sender.
What's the story of Xander?
Yes.
Sige daw, be?
Once upon a time, there's a little boy called Sender.
And what happened to that little boy?
Tom says has to left,
And then?
has to angry, has to demon.
Oh? And then?
That's bad in demon.
The boy is bad.
Yeah.
So what happened to the boy?
He's angry.
Why is he angry?
He's a magic.
Wow. Who's magic? Who made the magic?
Again.
Sige daw, be. Demonstrate daw, be.
He
Paro-paro, G. Dance daw, be. Paro-paro, G, be. Paro-paro, G. Paro-paro, G. Shush, 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 shush. Paro-paro, G. Fly high, butterfly. Let's sleep na.